Hello everyone, my name is Kemi and I'll be doing a series of videos on how to use the Microsoft Power BI software for data analysis. I've been learning how to use the software for a couple of months now, and this is a way for me to reinforce learning and also help beginners learn the basics of how to use the tool. Okay, so first thing we'll be doing will be to download the Power BI software. So the Power BI software, we'll be downloading Power BI. Okay, it's quite dark here. Desktop. Search for this. Okay, so we'll go straight to the Power BI website. Okay, so you either download here for free or you take this next option that says see download language settings or something like that. Okay, so download, you can actually select your language here. English is my preferred language, so I'll pick English. You can, if English is not your preferred language, you can choose any other language. So it customizes your page to the page content to the language, your language of your choice. Alright, so I click on download here, and my system is actually a 64-bit system, so I'll click on this. If yours is a 32, you click on the next one, then you click on next, then you click on download automatically, download manually, sorry. Okay, so here I already downloaded it because it actually takes a while to download, so I'm going to just install. I already have it on, so I'll install from here. Install the application. I already downloaded it before this video, so I'll just install. Sorry, I want the video to be quite short, so click on next. Alright, so it was improperly uninstalled the last time I uninstalled it, so I'll repair. I'll click on repair and I'll click on yes. Okay, it's done installing. I'll click on finish. I'll click on finish. Alright. Now Power BI. So open. Go to your start and click on open. Alright. So show you that it's actually properly installed. So let's just wait while it opens. It's taking a while to open, and you have to exercise patience. Oh wow. Alright, so I can close this. Oh, so this is how the Power BI desktop looks like. The dashboard looks like. This is how the Power BI dashboard looks like. Yes. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. On our next video, we'll be looking at how to import data into the Power BI dashboard. Data from all sources, different sources, into the Power BI dashboard. How to clean data, how to create models, how to create visualizations, and how to derive insights. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, kindly subscribe to my channel to get notification when next I upload a video. Thank you.